Well everyone, the day's come. Getting back on the bike has arrived. Oh, I think Sarah's arrived home. So Nelson's gone charging off with a toy. Anyway, said jalopy is ready and I'm going to go and head out for a little run. I did manage to find my old gear. Rather a stretch fit, but never mind. Let's see how we go on. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Right, I'm just going out for a first ride, Sarah. Okay. See you in a little bit. Windy. Wow, look at that maze. The Egyptians used to call it God's crop because you make so many things from a cob of maize and it grows so quickly. It's the most amazing crop. I'll stretch home. Well, actually, once I got over the initial shock on my arse, actually not too bad. Got no quads whatsoever, and the thought of doing 112 miles is mildly terrifying. Anyway, managed to get my old Beaver Tri-Club gear out from the bottom of the drawer. Had a look on my Strava, August 2022, last time out. Before unfortunately I had half a kidney chopped off. Anyway, actually that was quite good, feeling good. Upwards breezy. See you next time.